Green Witch of Rosal.
A prosperity Christmas.
All right, you look like the prosperous witch.
Ooh, welcome back, Smile Jammers. It's time now. Well, I never look different from the tree. It's time now for Guess the Christmas Song game. The objective is to challenge our knowledge of synonyms in popular Christmas song titles.
First thing we need to know what is that synonym.
Synonyms, that's the way I go with it. The names of familiar Christmas carols have been changed to fun, alternative, and descriptive titles.
Hold on, man. Wait now, man. Disclaimer. This lady is so creative and so bright. She just needs to say all the first letter and she won't know.
Our Sheffield gonna tell me.
Royal Eastern Trio would be read three.
Kings of Orient.
Okay.
All right.
Wanna?
Okay. Okay.
I got that one. One low.
It was the example.
Go on, man. What's the next one? Merry Christmas. I said before you still had it 12 wrong.
Felicitations for the season.
I said Merry Christmas. No, hold on. Huh? We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Jody, don't help me. Don't help me, because you never help me out.
You know, a while ago, Jody said season's greetings, no Christmas carol.
Don't help me.
Sterling Carillon.
Silver bells.
Wicked. Yes! 1-1. How you pronounce that?
Rocking around the Christmas tree.
Gamble of festive conifer.
Yes.
What?
Rocking around the Christmas tree.
Where's the first I know a Christmas carol name, sir?
Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday.
But it's the first I know.
Sentimental
Altitudinous celestials acclaim. Holy night, something angel then. Which Christmas carol of angel night?
Heaven, man, heaven, it have something to do with heaven. Angels, we have heard and high.
You know, rate me, I say, which one have angels in it?
That
I get that one, don't?
No, you know.
I know the song, I didn't know it name, so. But I get the angels one because I say angels. Come again.
Sentimental feeling.
I say angels. Covert observation of matriarch's scandalous oscillation. Matriarch would be Mama Dearest.
Yeah, something I see, man.
Covert observation. So we're seeing it in the quiet. We're seeing it, but we're not seeing it.
The Virgin Mary had a baby boy. Mitch.
No. Covert. I can't call a friend.
No, matriarch.
Scandalous.
For Christmas carol? Oh, I saw Mommy kissing Santa Claus.
So what covert about that?
Because Mommy never say a peep and see her.
No, but you never say petite birthplace.
Small hospital.
I was just going to say small.
Manger, the thing the manger.
Yeah.
Little manger.
No, go little manger. Auditory, hearing, ear, eye, heard. Do you see what I see?
Do you hear what I hear?
I mean, I said the same thing.
No, auditory and I see.
The two I didn't say it still. Do you hear what I hear? Do you see what season?
No season like Christmas. The wonderful time. It's the most wonderful time.
No, that wasn't Zach Dooley. I first heard this though. What is this song? Grown Up Christmas List. The first I know a song name.
I think Mariah did a version of it.
You know help from all about.
Never like get help from all about.
See, Zach Dooley said, me no know that. Me no know it either, Zach Dooley. Come, next one. On the fingers moving, so I have too much people helping me. And
all I want for Christmas is my two front teeth.
Say all my family get involved. That song just make up my family. Say.
Yeah.
This is happy rapping. But I never even see that.
Because you didn't laugh for your family on your WhatsApp.
But me I work with my peeps then.
Show a movie now, wait for you.
Yeah, see, that only later again. Come now, man. All right, next one. Don't say that. Don't say that.
I won't say
The
anything.
vestibule. You know this already.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. Me now say the next one. Give me the next one.
I
Kyle.
last
Me now
one
say-
that man.
Oh, take it back.
By the way, I just want to thank all my...
All of the 25 people.
It's 4 people that helped me. 4 people helping me. Sack Lowly is one. My outstanding and wonderful sister is 2. I'm still lose. Me have 4 people that help me. No, somebody say they'll get a preps before
No
this.
man, the prosperity act.
I agree with you, Bets Lowly. They'll get a preps, yes.
No bet.
Sack
No.
Lowly, I love you, man. All right, there you go. Watch out, no? You're done with me. Watch out. Go the daily. I know me when I work it. Coming up, we tag along with ER to Kingston Night Market.
That
Go
was the plan. Them show you off. Someone could have win.
Go the daily. And show the